Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Empirical policy was very good, provided it would have been done for Krishna. Then they could unite the whole world.
They had very good managing talent.
Oh yes. But the whole thing was planned for their own sense gratification.
Exploitation.
But if we ever had any kind of power like that and tried to do something like that, they would accuse that this is like the Crusades.
The crusade, even they could expand the ideas of Krishna, love of God, that was nice. And that was not the purpose, the exploitation.
Even by force?
Yes. By force, if you give some good medicine, that is good for him. In my childhood, I did not take medicine. Exactly like this now also. So I was given medicine by force. In the spoon, the two men will cash in and my mother take me on the lap and then force. I never agreed to take any medicine.
Should we do that now, Prabhupada?
Then he'll kill me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.